Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of showing the month you were born in X. Whether you want to share this information with others or simply prefer to display it on your profile, showing your birth month can help create connections and celebrate special occasions. Let's dive into this full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device, locate the X icon, and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, look for the account icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. It usually appears as a small profile picture. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, find and tap on the profile option. This will take you to your profile page. Step 4. Now you'll see your profile page. To edit your profile information, tap on your header picture. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 5. From the Options menu, tap on Edit Profile. This will allow you to modify your profile details. Step 6. Within the Edit Profile screen, locate the Birthday field. Tap on it to access the birthday settings. Step 7. Once you're in the birthday settings, tap on Month and Day to specify the level of visibility for your birth month. Step 8. From the available options, select Public to show your birth month to other users. Step 9. After selecting the desired visibility setting, double-check to ensure it reflects your preference. Step 10. Finally, tap on the Save or Done button to save your changes. Thank you for watching our guide on how to show your birth month in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.